You are welcome to SBC 103D, Detection Agencies and Community Relations. You are welcome to the Unit 3 of this course. Before I continue, I need to just give an overview of the unit. This unit will present a discussion of the criminal justice system. It will further look at the components and subcomponents of the criminal justice system, some sociological perspective on criminal justice system, crime and deviance, as well as sociological perspectives on crime and deviance. So these are the things that we will do as far as this topic or unit is concerned. So the first session will tackle criminal justice system, and I believe that you have heard criminal justice system before, specifically criminal justice, and the purposes of the criminal justice will be explained. And I believe that is going to be a better presentation and an interesting discussion. This lesson will tackle criminal justice system. It will further help us to understand the purposes of criminal justice system. In defining criminal justice system, which you have all heard of before, if for nothing at all, you've heard of crime. Criminal justice system refers to the aggregates of all operating and administrative or technical support agencies that perform criminal justice functions. The basic division of the operational aspect of criminal justice system are law enforcement, courts, and the correction. So we can say that this is because without justice, society will certainly be chaos. People will behave with impunity, and as a result, we need criminal justice within our society. Laws and their prescribed punishments will be redundant. Without criminal justice system, laws and then prescribed punishments will not be needed. Hence, although there are various parts within the criminal justice system which functions as a whole, and it's made up of interrelated and interdependent parts in order to produce an outcome known as justice. And I believe you have all heard of justice, freedom, and justice. Criminal justice system is made up of law enforcement agencies such as the police, immigration, customs, and the judiciary or the courts, such as the Supreme Court, the Appeals Court, the High Court, Circuit Courts, and the Magistrate Court, and further the correctional institutions such as the prisons, foster homes, and so on and so forth. The subsequent sessions will throw more light on the components and subcomponents of the criminal justice system. I believe you have learned something. So this session looked at the definition of criminal justice system in order to enable us understand the criminal justice system that operates in Ghana. It also attempts an explanation of the purpose of criminal justice system as well as the factors that underpin the strict ethical standard of criminal justice system. Join me as we go through the subsequent sessions, which also promises to be interesting. Now until we meet for the subsequent sessions, bye for now. Thank you.